You missed the spot. You missed the spot, buddy.
I did, huh?
You sure did. You missed the spot.
Alright, let me get it.
What the fuck you doing, dog?
You said I missed a spot.
The fuck you putting that dirty at?
You said I missed a spot.
Homie, just because you like stuff in your mouth and you like sucking on stuff, don't ever fucking put that in my lips, homie.
You said I
What's
missed a
wrong with you?
spot.
We're gonna suck my lips through there, dog.
That'd be good. I mean, you said I missed a spot, so I make sure to get you.
Alright, I'm gonna miss a spot.